Welcome to Carefree Living inside the Beltline in the desirable Georgetown North community.
I'm Devin Curlings with the Coley Group of Compass, and my newest listing is just minutes from downtown Raleigh and North Hills, ensuring that you're not only close to top restaurants and shopping, but that vibrant city life.
This charming two-story condo is situated in an ideal part of the community. Step inside to discover LVP flooring throughout the main living area, a cozy living room, a remodeled kitchen, and a private back patio. Upstairs, you'll find two well-sized bedrooms, separated by a full bath that includes a soaking garden tub and walk-in tiled shower. The HOA covers exterior maintenance, gas, water, trash, and a community pool, making it ideal for easy living or a great investment. The home's proximity to North Hills ensures that residents are in the center of it all.
For more information on this home, give the Coley Group a call today.